Hey Oakley, I'm going to show you how to finish your bracelet so that you have that slip knot that we talked about that makes the bracelet adjustable so you can take it on and off. So this purple cord right here, pretend like this is your mom's bracelet. It's got the knots and the beads up here, and these are the end tails, and this is that extra string I gave you that we're going to make the slip knot with. And you're going to want to find the center of it, and you're going to put the center behind the two tails, and you're going to make 5 knots. They're going to be those alternating knots, and you're going to go around the 2 cords instead of just 1. So bring the right over the 2 cords, the left goes over this one, and then it goes behind everything and through this circle here. And it's going to look like this, and then you're going to tighten it up, and you can make it a little tight, and then you're going to start with the opposite side because we're alternating. You're going to bring it over the front 2 and bring this right one over the left one, back behind and through here. And then you're going to tighten it up. So that's 2. Then we're going back over here. There's that little bump we talked about. Going over the 2 center cords, bringing this one down and over, behind, up, and through. And then you're going to tighten it up. So that's 3 knots. We're going to alternate. And if you need to pinch them together, squeeze them up, tighten them up, that works fine. Okay, looks like I've got 4. I just need 1 more. Going over the 2, over, back behind, up and through, tightening it up. And you just really need about 5. Anywhere from 3 to 6 is okay. And then you're going to clip them so that you have just a little bit of a tail coming off on each side. Then you're going to take the lighter. You're going to just touch it, and you can see it melt. When you get close, you can press it with your thumb. It'll be hot, but it's not going to burn you. If you see a flame like that, it will be too hot. So you just wait a little bit. And there you go. And then you'll put your beads here. Make sure your mom will be able to get it around her wrist. And then it can be tightened or loosened. And after you put your beads on and you tie your knots, you can make it a little longer. I know she's in Florida right now. You can make it a little longer. That way when she comes home, she can put it on. And if they need to be shortened, it's really easy to shorten them. You can just push the beads up here, tie a new knot up here, here's our original knot down here, but then you can just cut it off. and you're done. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any problems or hiccups along the way, just give me a call, okay? Thank you. Bye.